Listen, if you keep living for applause, you will die the moment the noise stops. So cut the noise, cut the audience, cut the need to be seen. You're not here to entertain, you're here to evolve. You want strength? Then step into the dark where nobody claps for you, where nobody cares if you show up except you. That's where the real work demands payment. That's where the weak break and the disciplined rise. Disappear, not to hide, but to sharpen, to bleed without witnesses, to rebuild without permission, to earn a power you don't have to announce. Most people want progress without pressure. You know better. You've felt the weight. You've stood in the mirror and seen the truth. The parts of you that nobody knows, the battles you never mentioned, the nights you didn't break, even though you could have. That's your advantage. Not talent, not luck, not praise, discipline, consistency, silence, because silence is where you confront yourself. Silence is where you stop pretending. Silence is where you build the mind that won't fold when everything gets heavy. You don't need validation, you need repetition, you need discomfort, you need that cold, steady voice in your head saying, again, again, again. Every day you vanish from the noise, you get closer. Every day you choose the grind over the spotlight, you get harder. Every day you climb without witnesses, you become undeniable. And when you return, you won't have to explain a thing. Your results will speak in the tone of someone who suffered by choice. Your presence will carry the weight of someone who didn't flinch. Your silence will hit louder than their noise ever could. So go, disappear, not as a retreat, but as a declaration, because the world doesn't deserve to see your becoming. Only your becoming deserves to be seen. This is the creed. I build in silence. I rise in darkness. I owe the world nothing, but I owe myself everything. Comment relentless if you refuse to quit.